friends, and welcome to another episode of Bollywood This Week. The third movie which we're going to review this week is the Telugu movie which every one of you were waiting with bated breath. Yes, Nagarjuna's son Akhil Akineni debuts with this movie. The movie's name is Akhil, the Power of Jua. Yes, Akhil Akineni is the son of Nagarjuna, the superstar of Telugu film industry. It also stars Sasha Sehgal, the daughter of Sunit Sehgal, who was an actor in Bollywood. But more than that, she is a grandniece of Dilip Kumar and Sai Banu. So, what is the story of Akhil, the Power of Jua? It is directed by V.V. Vinayak, who had made Tagore with Chiranjeevi and Bunny with Allu Arjun. It is produced by Mr. Nitin and his father Sudhakar Reddy. The film stars Akhil Akineni, Brahmanandam, Sasha Sehgal, obviously, Mahesh Manjrekar, Vanilla Kishore, Rajendra Prasad, Jaya Reddy. Music is fabulous, given by S. Thamam and Anup Rubens, and it also stars your favorite superstar Nagarjuna Akineni in a special song. So, what is the story of the movie Akhil, the Power of Jua? Akhil, the Power of Jua starts in an African tribe. The African tribes have a ball which considers to be sacred. What is a ball? Yes, the whole globe kind of a small ball is Jua in the movie. Jua is being believed to protect these people from the natural calamities of volcanoes, of earthquakes, and that is going to eventually save them from all these calamities. This Jua has been wanted by Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar, who stays in Andhra Pradesh, and he orders his African goon to get this ball. So these guys storm into a village, kill, shoot all these people, beautifully directed scene. All these people die, but Bodo, an African boy, takes this Jua and jumps into the waterfall. The Jua is gone missing, and the story moves back to Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Charminar behind, roads blocked, all the cars on four sides, and makes the entry the superstar kid of Nagarjuna, Mr. Akhil Akineni. One of the beautiful entries of anyone could get in any film industry. This guy is a dream. He introduces himself in the fight sequences, smashes the villain, wins the money, prize money after the fight, and the biggest song of the Indian film industry. This film has 3 songs which are fabulously big and very nice. Big in terms of paras. There are 3 paras in the song, but this boy doesn't fail to impress. This guy is so impressive. Mr. Allu Arjun, Ram Charan Teja, and Junior NTR. Beware, this guy dances like a dream. Hip hop, b-boying, popping, locking, all the curves, lyrical hip hop. This guy knows the A to Z of dance and is smooth as liquid. So, the story moves forward. Akhil Akineni the next day has been confronted by his very good friend that he had a marriage proposal and he got rejected. Who is this girl? Akhil Akineni goes to confront this girl, and he finds out that this girl is a medical college student and has a rabbit called as Chocho. You believe in love at first sight? Yes, Akhil Akineni falls in love with this girl, Sasha Sehgal. But Sasha Sehgal loves the rabbit more. So Akhil Akineni doesn't reveal his true identity and tells Sasha Sehgal that he is a veterinary doctor. But then the googly. Sasha Sehgal says that the rabbit has a hole in the heart and she wants him to operate it. What happens next? Akhil Akineni and his friends make a quite secret MMS video of Mr. Rajendra Prasad. Yes, Quick Gun Murgan. Rajendra Prasad is the dean of the college. Very good acting by Rajendra Prasad. Very nice. And Rajendra Prasad has been blackmailed to help Akhil Akineni in the heart operation of the small rabbit Chocho. The operation goes well. Sasha Sehgal gets Akhil Akineni in the good books of hers, and the story moves forward. But another googly from Sasha Sehgal. Sasha Sehgal says that she's going to get married next week. And who is Sasha Sehgal? She is the daughter of Mr. Mahesh Manjrekar. Yes, Mahesh Manjrekar is the same man who is in search of the Jua. So, what happens? Akhil Akineni comes to know that Sasha Sehgal is going to get married next week. Who is she getting married to? Vanilla Kishore. I'm becoming a day-by-day fan of Vanilla Kishore. He's fabulous in every movie he comes by. So, Vanilla Kishore doesn't love Sasha Sehgal. He loves Fatima, a local girl from Hyderabad. What does Akhil Akineni do? Akhil Akineni, helps them elope. So, Vanilla Kishore runs away with Fatima, his love interest, and Sasha Sehgal's marriage is gone. Due to this, Sasha Sehgal goes back to Europe. What happens in Europe? Europe में Akhil Akineni goes and impresses Sasha Sehgal. He tells her that forget Vanilla Kishore and go and search a new guy. She tells, where do I find a good Telugu guy over here? He tells Search for yourself. And they both become girlfriend and boyfriend. But Akhil Akineni does his mistake of revealing his true identity, that he is the guy, he's not a doctor. So they don't talk to each other, they separate. But where is Bodo? The guy who ran and jumped into the river with the Jua is the neighbor of Sasha Sehgal. Mahesh Manjrekar tells his guys to follow that guy. So Bodo has been caught in Spain, where eventually Sasha Sehgal is saying one day Bodo gets hit with the bullet and Sasha Sehgal operates him. The guy comes to know that Sasha Sehgal knows the location of the Jua. Sasha Sehgal has been kidnapped. Mahesh Manjrekar doesn't know that she is kidnapped, and Akhil Akineni goes behind the goon. Interval point, what happens? Does Mahesh Manjrekar get the Jua? Will the African tribe people be saved? Does Akhil Akineni get Sasha Sehgal? What is the role of all these people? It's a story of an African adventure trip called as Jua Akhil. It is a fabulous movie, very nicely played. Now let's come to the plus points of this movie. Plus points of this movie. Akhil Akineni's entry at Charminar is fabulous. He fights like a dream, dances like liquid. The main point, he doesn't go like Junior NTR. He doesn't go like Ram Charan Teja. He is not like Allu Arjun, the bunny. He is very subtle on his face. He emotes beautifully and a little more polish, and Akhil Akineni will become a huge star of Telugu industry. Mark my words, this boy is here to stay. Another main point of this movie is the music. The music by S. Thamam and Anup Rubin is fabulous. The Akineni track after the interval where Nagarjuna comes in the screen, there is Sasha Sehgal, there is Nagarjuna and Akhil Akineni. It is a treat for the fans go berserk. That entry song Hey Akhil is fabulously choreographed. Akhil Akineni leaves NTR, Allu Arjun and Ram Charan Teja behind in dancing. He is a dream to watch. But the highlight of this movie is a Zara Zara song sung by Mohit Chauhan. So all in all, the dialogues by Kona Venkat are very funny and very witty. Why? Because after interval comes Mr. Ramanandam. His scenes with the Africans guys are fabulous. Eventually some small kids as African hooligans have a confrontation with Brahmanam. Brahmanam with the African gangster's brother, how he bashes him and repents is fabulous. You're gonna love the comedy of Vanilla Kishore and Brahmanandam after the interval. And the story of Vellagondo Srinivas is a very innovative story in Telugu film industry. It at least tries to be something new. And with fresh face like Akhil Akineni, this story goes very well with the movie. But the main villain of this movie is the horrible VFX. I mean, what is this with Telugu film industry? Why do they want the hero to fight with an animal? For God's sake, please don't do this misery. In Rudrama Devi, there's a horrible fight sequence with the animal. Bahubali, that guy fights with a bison. Rana Dugapatti, and here poor Akhil Akineni has been fighting with a horrible Black Panther. Oh, ridiculous on the screen. In the climax, there are some piranhas which look like cardboard piranhas. Horrible VFX. My God, please spare us. In the climax, the plane sequences, the calamity sequences, the volcanoes, it looks like someone is playing a video game. All these things, if you remove from this, Akhil Akineni's debut, Akhil the Power of Jua, is a breezy ride. He's a star charmer on the screen, but this film will not create the same magic as Magadhira, because Magadhira had an excellent chemistry of Kajal Agarwal and Ram Charan, in which this movie Sasha Sehgal falls flat. She doesn't look like a heroine in this movie. The chemistry of Akhileni and Sasha doesn't take place very nicely. It falls flat. Mahesh Manjrekar is good. He says his own dialogues. Vanilla Kishore and Brahmadam are fabulous in the movie. Rajendra Prasad as the Dean is also very good in the movie. So all in all, the flop show of the VFX harms this movie very badly. Otherwise, Akhil Akineni's debut is very nice. I give Akhil the Power of Jua 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. Go with your family, watch this movie, and this obviously is a vehicle for the star kid to launch him beautifully in the Telugu industry, and he has done full justice. Do support him in this cause. So friends, keep watching Bollywood this week, because tomorrow we are going to come with a review of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Thank you.